Get ready to solve your biggest rack mounting headaches with ONErack. The mounting module is the heart of the system. Easily mounts any manufacturer's small devices. Multiple engineers can work simultaneously, allowing you to speed up your installs. Module-mounted selectors offer 7 different voltages, providing clean, dependable power. Adding more power or voltage to a module is a breeze. Simply mount a second voltage selector. ONErack is available in 3 sizes, all with the same amazing performance. Power is seamlessly integrated using our proprietary power docks. Mounts any size of kit, including set-top boxes. Simply insert the red mounting rails where you need them, and you are ready to slide in your kit. Add a power supply with options including the mission-critical 450-watt dual-redundant power supply. Slide in, slide out modules make installation and servicing a dream, the ultimate solution for corporate, education, broadcast, healthcare, and live events. Slide in, click in, and you're powered up and ready to go. Extend system life with thermal management to keep your kit cool, however challenging the environment. Rack it, power it, cool it. All your rack problems solved.